for our employees. But basically what we do is the idea is we communicate and push out electronically all of these pieces that we want to maintain the workforce management with and compliance with. So policies and procedures are pushed out through the system. Trainings are pushed out through the system. We can see requests for time off and other workforce management issues. We can manage our teams. We can find employees easily. We can get to them information. So the idea, in whatever format you do it, is to have some sort of a tool available to communicate these on an ongoing basis, all of these important components to folks. You know, and listening to Randy and Mike do their presentation today, they talked about safeguards, they talked about red flags, they talked about advertising rules, and it's one thing to sit here as managers in these workshops and write down the basic rules. It's a whole other thing to get that information out to employees on a regular basis, to make sure that they read it, to train them on it, and to make sure they understand their responsibilities on that, and then to document it. So there are really two pieces of this, and this is more of a communication tool for folks. Again, things like core policies and procedures. On a regular basis, we need to be getting these important policies and procedures out to employees. If they're in the sales and marketing team, it's what relates to them. Every employee is going to have to review things like family medical leave, disability accommodation, etc. Most of our dealerships do these types of policies and procedures. They push them out to the workforce once a year. They collect signatures on those, and then they run reports on those. Same thing with the sales and F&I force. A lot of the dealerships now are reinforcing the core sales and F&I policies and procedures. Red flags, credit applications, Gramm-Leach-Bliley. Those are very, very important policies and procedures to send out and to collect signatures on.